A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. In the previous video, you learned how to access an Oracle Apex application using your Google account credentials. In this video you will learn how to configure your Facebook account to access Apex applications. At the end of this video you will add Google and Facebook buttons to your application login page to access the application using these social accounts in addition to your Apex account credentials. So, let's begin. Just like Google, you need to get some authentication information from Facebook as well. Go to Facebook Developers Console and sign in with your Facebook account credentials. The link for this page is provided in the video description. Click the Create App button. In Google you create projects, while in Facebook you create apps. For app type, select the None option and click the Continue button. Enter a display name for the app, and click the Create App button. Re-enter your Facebook account password to continue. Expand the Settings menu, and click Basic. Click the Show button next to App Secret to get your secret code. Take a note of the app ID and app secret in Notepad or any other text document. You will be asked to enter this information in Oracle Apex Web Credentials interface. For visual recognition, you can optionally add an icon to apps. Next, click the Add Product link, and click the Setup button in the Facebook login card. The Facebook login product will be added under the Products menu. Expand the Facebook login product menu, and click Settings. On the Client OAuth Settings page, enter OAuth Redirect URI, which is provided in the video description. Make sure the Client OAuth Login and Web OAuth Login options are set to Yes. After making these changes, save them. Switch to Oracle Apex. Log into your Oracle Apex workspace and select Workspace Utilities from App Builder. On Workspace Utilities page, click Web Credentials and then click Create. Set attributes for this new web credentials. Copy and paste app ID and app secret from the Notepad. The Web Credentials interface lets you manage secure credentials to connect to REST-enabled SQL or other REST services. Oracle Application Express securely stores and encrypts these credentials for use by Application Express components. Credentials cannot be retrieved back in clear text. Credentials are stored at the workspace level and therefore are visible in all applications. Note that a credential cannot be deleted when it is being referenced somewhere in the workspace. Also note that credential information will not be included in application export files. After importing an application into the target workspace, prompts will be displayed instead to re-enter the credentials. Next, you have to create an authentication scheme that will be mapped to the web credentials you just created. Click Create to add a new authentication scheme. On the Method screen, select the default option based on a pre-configured scheme from the gallery, and click Next. Set attributes for the new scheme. Make Application Express account scheme type current, so that you can access the application normally without using the social credentials. Modify the Facebook authentication scheme. Click the Login Processing tab and set Switch in Session attribute to Enabled. By enabling this switch, you can switch from the default authentication scheme to any of the other two social schemes. Enable this attribute for the Google scheme as well. Open the login page of your application and add two buttons under the existing login button. Set attributes for these buttons. When you enable the Switch in Session attribute, the current session's authentication scheme can be changed by passing apex_authentication equals scheme name and URL's request parameter. Save and run the login page. The two new buttons will be shown under the default Sign In button. Sign out from your Google and Facebook accounts and test your work. That's it. Hope that this tutorial has provided you some new information. If you liked it, then please give it a thumb up and subscribe to Tech Mining to get more informative videos. Thank you for watching.